What's good, everybody? It's your boy, Jack of all trades. I'm back at the range again, about to get it in. But hey, I want to tell y'all something. I'm in a new relationship. Yeah, man. Hey, I found the one. I really think she's the one. Hey, I'm going to introduce you to her. Come here, baby. Come here. Here she go. Yes, sir. The Canic Mete Bomber Edition. You see my girlfriend? Yes. She a little mad at me because, you know, I brung her out here unexpectedly. But I'm going to make her happy. You know, she love for me to tap on her a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, she like it rough, too. She like it rough.